Owode Motor Spare Parts is an international recognized market that was relocated to this site from the popular Jankara market in Lagos by the then governor of Lagos State, late Alhaji Chief Lateef Jakonde of blessed memory, sometimes in early 80s. Over the years, the trader in this market has been law-abiding, comporting themselves in an orderly manner, and has been operating and carrying out their businesses within the confines of the law. It was reported that on Thursday, 6th day of March 2025, at about 4:30 a.m. early in the morning, the men and officers of the Lagos State Building Control Agency, LASCA, along with some policemen and hundreds of thugs armed with various dangerous weapons, invaded the Owode Motor Spare Part Market with the aim of carrying out an enforcement of a certain judgment against a section of the market, that is Agbajowo Market, that share a common boundary with the Owode Motor Spare Parts Market. There has been a legal battle on the ownership of the land where Agbajowo Market was situated, and there is no discrepancy on the boundary. But to our dismay, LASCA, as a government agency, stormed the Owode Spare Part Motor Park Market in a Gestapo manner with retinue of unofficial men to demolish more than 500 shops in a jiffy. The Owode Motor Spare Part Market is comprising of 6 zones, and each zone has over 200 shops, with thousands of traders that socio-economic life depend on sales made in their shops on daily basis. And as at the time of the so-called enforcement of the said judgment on Agbajowo Market by the Lagos State Building Control Agency, LASCA, they trespassed and demolished over 400 shops in the Zone M and Zone 5, with goods worth billions of naira wasted. Reports have it that the association chairman, Comrade Abiodun Ahmed, was also arrested and whisked away to FCID Alagbon, where he was detained and later released on bail. And to our surprise, we learned that the FCID Alagbon gave the chairman a stringent condition that he must not come close to the market for weeks, and that he should not intervene in the market issue for now until they tell him to do so. If you look at this table, the chairman is not here today because the Alagbon said he must not come to the market. But we were surprised that a police station or a police authority that's supposed to be in defense of law and order were now being used by some elements to carry out the Stadia Act. Meanwhile, the association chairman, Comrade Abiodun Ahmed, lost his 3 shops to the illegal demolition. Therefore, it sounds somehow if truly the police from FCID can make such statements when they fail to arrest the non-state actors engaged by the LASCA to carry out this wicked act of demolition. The CHSR is a reputable human and socio-economic rights organization that believes in equity, justice, and rule of law. We condemn the action and inaction of the illegal encroachment, demolition of property at the Owode Motor Spare Part Market, unlawful arrest and detention of the chairman, and we demand immediate action. The hazing act of land grabbing not only violates the fundamental property law rights of the legitimate landowner, but also poses a significant threat to the economic stability of our community. The market serves as a vital hub in ensuring access to spare parts for countless families and providing livelihood for numerous traders. We hereby demand as follows. We demand that the rule of law must be upheld. The property rights are enshrined in our constitution and must be protected, as illegal encroachment cannot be tolerated. The economic well-being of our community is paramount. The market plays a critical role in our local economy, and its disruption will have far-reaching consequences. We call on the Lagos State government to conduct a thorough and impartial investigation on the market demolition, and also to institute a bureau on the role of LAPSCA instead of establishing agency in enforcing court judgments. As a group, we urge relevant government agencies meant for law enforcement to step up and do their constituted duty so as to protect the trader to avoid being thrown into the streets. A thorough and full investigation must be conducted to identify and prosecute those responsible for the illegal demolition of Owode motor spare parts shops. The government should engage the market stakeholder to find a sustainable solution that respects the rule of law and protect the interests of all parties. We call upon all concerned citizens, community leaders, and media organizations to join us in the demanding for justice and protection of the market and marketer during their daily earnings. We thank you all for honoring our invitation and gracing this press briefing. God bless Agboyiketu. God bless Lagos State, and God bless Nigeria.
Mo ti jẹ́ Secretary Ojari between 2012 to 2015. Ọ̀rọ̀ ọjà dídàwó yìí ó ti wà ńlẹ̀ ti pẹ́ tó ṣe yí pé a ti ń mu lórí mu lọ́rùn pé kó má rí bẹ́ẹ̀. 1979 ni Alhaji Lateef Jakande late ni wọ́n kó gbogbo àwọn bàbá wa láti Jàǹkàrà wá síbí. A dẹ̀ ti wà ń bí láti 1979 ilẹ̀ lásán náà fún àwa la tún ọjà ìṣedé gbogbo ibi tó dé yìí tí àìmọye èèyàn dẹ̀ ń jẹun níbí tí àìmọye èèyàn dẹ̀ ń wá kò ń ṣe Nàìjíríà nìkan àti West African region tó ṣe pọ́n wá ra páàtì ń bí ibi ni ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ Yorùbá pọ̀ sí tí wọ́n ń tà tọ́ dẹ̀ ń rà. Ìyàlẹ́nu ló wá jẹ́ fún ayé pé àwọn tó tún jẹ́ olórí wa náà máa wá bọ́ ṣe máa dà wá láàmú. Ní ìgbà tí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ former chairman Agboyiketu SDA Honorable Durosimi ló kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ wàhálà yìí ní 2014. Wọ́n kó àwọn tọ́ọ̀gì wá síbí láti wá ti ọjà pípa àwọn fẹ́ gba ọjà yìí mọ́ wa lọ́wọ́. A dẹ̀ lọ sí Lagos State House of Assembly ńgbà yẹn a lọ bá the then Deputy Speaker Honorable Taiwo Kolawole. He's still live and he can testify to what I'm saying. Àwọn tó bá jẹ́ aláṣẹ tá a gbé sí orí ipò tún máa wá bọ́ ṣe máa lé wa ń bẹ̀. Ní ìbò tó kọjá gbogbo àwa tá a wà nínú ọjà yìí là ń gbé stretch gbogbo àdúgbò yìí láti Mile 12 lọ sódògùn àwa là ń dìbò àdúgbò yìí. Majority àwọn èèyàn wa pàápàá máa ń sùn nínú ọjà yìí mọ́jú ni láti dìbò. Even the last election tá a ṣe ń bí agídí la fi win àwọn wards wa ń bí tó ràn yíbò ti pọ̀ jù ń bí. Eléyìí tó tún ń wó lọ́wọ́ yìí náà yíbò ni chairman local government gbé bẹ́ẹ̀ fún Oyekachi. Ní ìjọ tó fẹ́ wá demolish bí chairman local government ló lead wọn pẹ̀lú Oyekachi yìí tó ń fi ìbọn lé wa kiri nínú ọjà bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ń ṣá wa ládàá. Chairman wa wọ́n ṣá ládàá majority àwọn èèyàn wà lọ hospital báyìí. Wọ́n tún gbé chairman wa lọ sí Alágbọn. Àwọn agbófinró wa should be the one protecting us, not be the one killing us. Wọ́n gbé chairman wa lọ sálágbọn. Chairman wa lò 3 good days lálágbọn with a warning pé kò gbọdọ̀ di ọjà yìí táwọn fi máa yanjú ogun nǹkan táwọn máa yanjú. Mo ń pe our amiable governor Sanwó-Olú, a gentleman governor, the governor that protect rule of law, wípé kán jọ kán bá a dá sọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Wọ́n ti bá gbogbo ọjà wa jẹ́, wọ́n ti wó ọjà wa. Majority àwọn èèyàn wà lọ hospital báyìí. Kí ló tó ṣe wípé àwa tí ó ṣe wípé ó yẹ kán máa protect wa àwọn náà tún máa fi ìyà jẹ wá. Mo pé bàbá wa Bùṣúrà Lédìoṣù ní Ìjẹrin wọ́n dẹ̀ pé chairman Agboyi local government SCDA Délé Ọ̀ṣínáwọ̀ lóhùn mọ́ nípa tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ irọ́ dẹ̀ ni. Even ní ìjọ Saturday òun ni ó gbé ilọ̀s wá sí ibi tí wọ́n ti tán wó yìí tọ́kọ̀ àwọn tọ́gì síbi wá gbóúnjẹ fún wọn nírọ̀lẹ́. We saw
member of BOT of the market. Now nǹkan tí mo rí nínú ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tó jẹ́ ìyàlẹ́nu nígbà tí a débi tí wọ́n ti wó gbogbo nǹkan bí ó ṣe nǹkan tí a gbọ́ tẹ́lẹ̀ pé aláàjì àgbọ̀n kankan ìgbà tá a rí pé n tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí ó wá ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí pé wọ́n wo ìbí kò dẹ̀ nídìí kankan àdẹ̀bẹ́ni kankan jà lọ́jà yìí ju wípé gbogbo ẹ̀sẹ̀ tá a bá máa gbé à ń láti lọ bá àwọn olófin látòrí àwọn human rights tó fi dórí lọ́ọ̀yà kò sí tẹ́ máa kọ́ béèrè lọ́wọ́ wa wípé ìwé ọjà wa ìwé dà ìwé ọjà wa ni wọ́n béèrè ní ọwọ́ wa lọ́tí èyí nídìí èyí a pè gbogbo àwọn alàgbà ní gbogbo Lagos State pátá kí wọ́n dìde wọ́n bá wa dá sí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu kí wọ́n dìde wọ́n bá wa dá sọ̀rọ̀ yìí Délé Ọ̀sìnlọ́wọ̀ gan náà kó náà ronúpìwàdà kó náà bá wa dá sí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ẹ wo Délé Ọ̀sìnlọ́wọ̀ ó nìyí ṣe ti rí tó bá ti gbé anything wá pé táwọn fẹ́ nu òṣèlú bánà àwa la ṣe fúnra wa fún bánà tẹ̀ rí àwa la ṣe fún Délé Ọ̀sìnlọ́wọ̀ fúnra wa nítorí pé APC member dẹ̀ ni wá ṣùgbọ́n náà ó ti fẹ́ ba APC jẹ́ mọ́ àwọn tán ní APC ó ti fẹ́ bàjẹ́ lé wọn lórí ó ti fẹ́ baṣẹ́ Tinubu jẹ́ o ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ dákun akẹ́gbàjáre o ẹ̀yin human rights ẹ̀yin lọ́ọ̀yà gbogbo ẹ̀yin agbófinró ẹ wá gbà wá o èèyàn tó ti kú níbi tí wọ́n wó yìí wọ́n ti pọ̀ o ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ dákun ilé ẹ̀tọ́ ni ẹlòmíì dẹ̀ ti bàjẹ́ bó ṣe rí ni ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ dákun